Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing atomic number, mass number, their relationship and Bohr and Bury scheme of electronic configuration. Our first topic is atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. It is represented by the symbol Z. Atomic number is equal to number of protons, that is Z is equal to P. As we know, in an atom, number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons, that is P equals to E. Now combining the two, Z is equal to P equals to E. For example, in an atom of sodium, number of protons are 11, therefore its atomic number is also 11. Our next topic is mass number. It is the sum total of the protons and the neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. It is represented by the symbol A. Mass number is equal to number of protons and number of neutrons which are present in the nucleus of an atom. For example, in magnesium atom, there are 12 neutrons, 12 protons, hence their mass number is 24. If we know mass number and atomic number of an element, we can easily calculate the number of protons, number of electrons and number of neutrons of that atom. If you know atomic number and mass number of an atom, you can calculate the number of neutrons by subtracting atomic number from its mass number. For example, in case of oxygen, its mass number A is equal to 6 and atomic number Z is equal to 8. For neutron number is equal to 16 minus 8, which is 8. Our next topic is symbolic representation of an element. Let's say symbol of an element is taken as X. The atomic number Z is written as subscript, whereas mass number A is written as superscript, both written on the left hand side. Next topic is electronic configuration. The arrangement of electrons in different shells of an atom of an element is called electronic configuration. The different rules for electronic configuration by Bohr and Bury are as follows. According to Bohr and Bury, the number of electrons present in a shell is given by the formula 2n square, where n is the number of orbits. For example, for the first shell K, the number of electrons can be calculated by using the formula 2n square, where n is 1. For the second shell L, the value of n is 2, so it can be calculated by using 2n square. Number of electrons will be 8. The outermost shell of an atom cannot have more than 8 electrons, even if it has the capacity to accommodate more electrons. For example, in potassium, atomic number is 19. Electrons are distributed in K, L, M, N shells as 2, 8, 8, 1 respectively. Electrons are filled in the shells starting from K shell followed by L, M, N in an orderly manner. For example, in sodium, mass number A is equal to 23, atomic number Z is equal to 11. As you can see in the diagram, sodium has 2 electrons in the K shell, 8 electrons in L shell and 1 electron in M shell. For example, mass number A is 40, atomic number Z is 20. Similarly, in calcium, 2 electrons are there in K shell, 8 in L, 8 in M and last 2 in N shell.